Chapter 2 of The Wild Robot. The Otters. The island's northern shore had become something of a robot gravesite. Scattered across the rocks were the broken bodies of 4 damaged robots. They sparkled in the early morning lights, and their sparkles caught the attention of some very curious creatures. A gang of sea otters was romping through the shallows when one of them noticed sparkling objects. The otters all froze. They raised their noses to the wind, but they smelled only the sea, so they cautiously crept over the rocks to take a look. The gang slowly approached the robot torso. The biggest otter stuck out his paw and swatted the heavy thing and quickly jumped back, but nothing happened. So they wiggled all over the robot hand. Another brave otter stuck out his paw and flipped the robot hand over. It made a lovely clinking sound along the rocks. The otters squeaked with delight. They spread out and played with the robot arms and legs and feet. More hands were flipped. The otters discovered a robot head in a tide pool, and they all dove and took turns rolling it along the bottom. And then they spotted something else. Overlooking the gravesite was one surviving crate. Its sides were scraped and dented, and a wide gash ran across its top. The otters scampered up to the rocks and climbed onto the big box. The furry faces poked through the gash, eager to see what was inside. They saw another brand new robot. This robot was different from the others. It was still in one piece. And it was surrounded by spongy packing foam. The otters reached through the gash and tore at the foam. It was soft and squishy. They squeaked as they snatched the fluffy stuff. Shreds of it floated away on the sea breeze. And in all of the excitement, one of their paws accidentally slapped an important little button on the back of the robot's head. Click. It took a while for the otters to realize that something was happening inside the crate. But a moment later they heard it, a low, whirring sound. Everyone stopped and stared, and the robot opened his eyes.